Hello students, the question is from DMGT. Question is, there are two statements are given. How many cards must be selected from standard deck of 52 cards to guarantee that at least 3 cards of the same suit are chosen? Okay, and then how many cards must be selected from the standard deck of 52 cards to guarantee that at least 3 cards of particular suit, say heart, are selected? So which of these problems can be solved using pigeonhole principle? Fine. So first statement is what? Means there are at least, what they are telling, there are at least 3 cards of the same suit are chosen, right? Of the same suit are chosen, and there are 52 cards. Means the standard set is 52 cards, right? So there will be 4 set of suits, right? 4 suits will be there. So just consider these 4 suits as 4 boxes. Okay, and fine. Then what is there? Then what we will require? We will require box to have n by 4. Means there are n number of cards, okay, divided by 4, which should be greater than equals to 3 cards, right? So what will be the smallest value which will satisfy this inequality? That will be 9, right? Because n value will be, if n is 9, then it will be 9 divided by 4, means to satisfy this inequality. Okay, so therefore the smallest value of n that satisfies the inequality is n equals to 9. Okay, so therefore it satisfy pigeonhole principle. So P1 satisfy pigeonhole principle. Now what is P2 is saying? P2 is saying it, first of all, this is not a pigeonhole principle. This does not follow, because we can fill up the 3 boxes corresponding to spades, clubs, diamonds before picking any hearts. In the worst case, what we can do, because we are telling we can pick any like 3 cards from particular suit, say hearts are selected. Okay, so in worst case, what we will do, we will select 13 from diamond, then 13 from spades, 13 from club, and it is saying 3 from heart, right? So 3 from hearts. So total how many cards will be there? 42 cards will be selected. Okay, so this P2 cannot be solved using the pigeonhole principle, rather P1 can be solved using PHP, pigeonhole principle. Okay, so the first one satisfy the thing, so P1 is the PHP, so answer is A. Thank you.